Okay, so in the third question, we got a data set in which we have a range and its frequency, right? So in this, we have range from 1 to 5, 6 to 15, 16 to 20, and so on. And we have a frequency for each of the data set, and we have to find the approximate median satisfaction score for the students, right? So for this, before finding the satisfaction score, median satisfaction score, we need to find some other things for it, right? So inside our Colab book, we will solve this question using the Python. Inside this, the satisfaction score formula is L plus n by 2 minus f divided by small f times h, right? So here the capital L is the lower boundary of the median class. In its total frequency, f is cumulative frequency before median class and the frequency of median class and class width. So at start, we will first create the data set, right? So the classes are the range and the fric is the frequency. So the frequency is being done in the NumPy for in future applying the functions of it, right? NumPy functions. The capital N is the frequency, right? The overall how many students are currently present inside the data set, right? So we can find it by using the sum function, and the CUM is the cumulative sum of the frequency. So it's basically what it is doing is that it is adding as it goes down to the frequency, right? So like it will create another column inside this classes and frequency table in which it just keeps adding the frequencies and going downwards. So like the first column will be 200, second will be 200 plus 450, which is 650, and then so on, right? So that is a cumulative frequency. The half is basically the middle point, of this data set, right? And then we'll use the search sorted to find out the middle point with the help of cumulative frequency and the middle point of this total number of students, right? And after that, finding that, like after adding those cumulative frequency, when I reach to a certain level where I find that this cumulative frequency value is just slightly lower than the median value of the whole frequency, right? So after that, the value just get increased by the gets increased with the half variable value. So that is the point which we'll use to plug it into our formula of this median, right? So the L is the lower boundary of the median class. So after the IDX, we found out, okay, this is the value, this is the cumulative value at which we need to stop, right? So at that we capture that thing that this is the lower boundary of that specific cell, right? Here it is basically 21 and 50, right? So here the 21 is the L, and H is the class width. What is the width of that class? So basically here it is 50 minus 21, right? And then F is the cumulative frequency before median class. So it is the frequency at which you got that range, right? And then so on to we just plug it that inside our median approximation formula. Okay, let's just run the first cell and then run the another cell to calculate the answers. And then here we currently have total students of 3194. The median class which he found is 2150, and then the approximation median satisfaction score is 32.44. So basically it just finds out what is the whole class median score happening around here, right? So if we plot it, we can clearly see that the 2150 range is kind of performing nicely, and most of the students are lying inside that, right? With the cumulative frequency graph, we can also see that the median, the n by 2 is the half of that frequency, and the median class is just like cutting nearly to the 2150. So yeah, this is the 2150 range is like most of the students data has been quite of high inside that. So this was all about question 3. Thank you.